This is a quick rundown of Houdini user interface. On the very top we have the main menu where we can load and save file, or we have the option to load and save user interface layouts. Next to that we have the shelf where we have quick access to pre-existing tools, custom presets, and useful to create camera from view and quick lighting setup. Now here we have the 3D scene view where objects are being displayed in the 3D space. On the left we have the toolbox where move, rotate and scale exist, but we don't use them from here most of the time because we use the node network. Here we have options for the currently selected tool from the toolbox. Here we have the display option, for example display grid or display point or display normals. Here we have the parameter editor for the currently selected node. Here we have the network editor where we work with node, because Houdini is node centric. Here we have the Playbar where we play animation, set keyframe, also we start simulation from here. Here we have the status bar where Houdini display important information like file is saved or render is finished. Here we have the cooking option where we can tell Houdini to stop running the simulation, or we can tell Houdini to stop automatically computing the network. Now this is a summary for the user interface. This has been the Elegant Academy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.